Name a better way to improve your podcast content than listening and analyzing one of the top podcasts in the world. In this video, we'll explore the valuable lessons that podcasters can learn from Jay Shetty's approach to his podcast, On Purpose. The first thing we can immediately take away from the show is the importance of authenticity when connecting with your audience. Listeners appreciate podcast hosts who are authentic and genuine. Jay Shetty often shares personal anecdotes and experiences on his podcast, which allows his listeners to connect with him on a deeper level. For example, in one episode he discusses his struggles with anxiety and shared how he overcame it, which resonated with many of his listeners who also struggle with mental health issues. So don't be afraid to get open and vulnerable. It can only make your listeners feel closer to you. Jay Shetty has interviewed guests from diverse fields and backgrounds, including actors, entrepreneurs, spiritual leaders, and healthcare professionals. By featuring such a diverse range of guests, Jay provides his listeners with a variety of perspectives and insights on different topics. Make an effort to include a diverse range of voices on your show to broaden your audience's horizons. Jay Shetty's compassionate and empathetic approach to his conversations creates an emotional connection between himself, the guest, and the listener. It's crucial to prioritize creating a safe and welcoming environment for your guests and listeners. In Jay Shetty's interview with Simon Sinek talked about feeling like an imposter, and Shetty empathized by sharing his own experiences with self-doubt and imposter syndrome. They discussed ways to overcome these feelings, creating a safe and welcoming environment for listeners who may also struggle with these issues. Jay Shetty builds up his TikTok under his own personal account. This way he can include podcast clips, as well as other additional valuable content that's either created directly for TikTok or repurposed from other video content, like clips from other podcasts that he's guested on and guest lectures. This gives him a variety of content that he can use to connect with TikTok viewers and hopefully convert them into becoming listeners of his show. If you want to easily create clips optimized for social media, check out Riverside's Clips feature. I'll link a video on that above. Jay Shetty has built up a YouTube channel featuring the video version of his podcast episodes. There are many reasons why this is a great idea. You can organize your episodes so people can easily find a topic they are looking for. As you can see, he organizes his episodes into playlists based on specific types of advice, making it easy for viewers to navigate. Once you pass 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, you're able to monetize your videos. You will also have the ability to optimize your episodes for search engines with keywords, and you can get more detailed analytics of your podcast episodes with YouTube's in-depth analytics. If you want to learn more about podcasting on YouTube, you can head to the video linked above. On Purpose provides valuable lessons for podcasters who want to create engaging and meaningful content that resonates with their audience. So take these lessons from Jay Shetty and apply them to your own podcast to create content that truly connects with your audience. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And before you go, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss another video from Riverside. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next one.